Hi guys, and welcome to Christmas with Crystal. Today I'm going to show you how to make a cut out reindeer card. How can I not wear antlers with it? It matches the card. Let's go down. Hi guys, this is everything you need to make this card. We're going to move everything aside and score and burnish our base card. This base is 8.5 by 5.5, and we're gonna score at 4.25. Fold and burnish. The next step in this card is to make our reindeer cutout. I have a beautiful reindeer. If my reindeer is tall and thin, so I am doing my card this way. If you have a longer and shorter reindeer, you can do your card this way. Let's set up this reindeer on our card. I want to leave some space here for this beautiful sentiment, which I'm going to do as a stamp at the bottom here. But until I do that, I'm going to design this and cut this out using my Big Shot machine. I got my Christmas washi tape. Absolutely beautiful. We're going to keep this to use in another card. I'm going to bring in my Versamark ink and ink up the stamp. Once we're finished doing that, we're going to start putting together this card now. Let's tie the bow for the neck of our reindeer. I'm just going to use a 1/8 inch ribbon, and I'm tying a really tiny bow. We're going to do a quick seal on the ends of our ribbon, and this is for our really cute reindeer like so. Let's put everything together. We're sticking this directly in the card like so, and we're raising this piece with some double-sided tape. What you're really aiming to do here is cover all the areas of the card where there's no cutout, so that like if you don't put any in this little section here, it will definitely go down when you look at the card. So all of the little sections, make sure and get it covered. And now it's just to move this. Once you have all your stickers removed, we're gonna design it on the card itself. Once your ribbon has dried, then we're gonna put the inside. Thanks so much for joining me while we made this. So easy, right? So easy. I hope you've enjoyed my Christmas card series this year. I had the most fun making my cards. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel so you won't miss any content, and stay crafty, my friends. And wait, bye.